Hello dear students. In our previous session of chapter 5, does it look the same? We have learned about the line of symmetry. In this session we are going to learn about a rotation. What is a rotation? A rotation is a circular movement of an object around a center or point of rotation. You can understand this through the simple example. Here letter F is rotated. घुमाया हुआ है ये letter. Let's learn how to rotate an object and how the object looks like when it is rotated by 1/4 turn or a half turn. Let me draw one arrow. Suppose this is our object. I am drawing in this way, okay? This is the center point and I am drawing the object arrow. One right angle is quarter turn. That means 1/4 turn. If we rotate the object into 90 degree, we have completed 1/4 turn. So if I tell you rotate this arrow in 1/4 turn, what you will do? You will draw an arrow like this. It is rotated into 1/4 turn. And if I tell you rotate this arrow into half turn, then what you will do? You will draw an arrow like this. If we rotate into 1/4 turn, it will look like this. If we rotate this arrow into half turn, it will look like this. Is it clear? 1/4 turn and half turn. If we rotate the object into 1/4 turn, it completes a right angle, and two right angles makes half turn. Now let us solve exercises related to rotation. Question 6. Tick which pictures among the following will look the same on half turn. Half turn means उल्टा करें, ये एज ये एंगल यहाँ पे नीचे आए. It will not look like the same. What about this? If we rotate it, no, it will also not look like this. What about this figure? Yes, if we rotate it into half turn, it will look the same. Try doing these three. Question 7. Tick right in the box of the figures which have mirror symmetry. Mirror symmetry means both the parts are equal. Find it out. If both the parts are equal, then you tick right. If both the parts are not equal, then tick wrong. Question 8. Encircle the shapes that have been rotated. कौन सा शेप घुमाया है? Is it rotated? Yes. You have to encircle it. Is this shape rotated? S is rotated? Yes. In this way find out. Is L rotated? ये flip किया हुआ है, not rotated. Question 9. Draw the line of symmetry line in the following figures. Here you have to draw a line of symmetry. try drawing the line of symmetry and then check your answers from answer sheet. Question 10. On rotating the following figures, draw the shapes of the figures. Here we have 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn. This question we will do at last. Question 11. Draw figure of the following shapes if it is rotated by 1/4 turn and half turn. What to do? Draw a line here. Two lines like plus. Yes, 1/4 turn means ये पॉइंट यहाँ पे आना चाहिए, वैसे ड्रॉ करो in this way and you can complete the whole figure. And half turn means ये पॉइंट नीचे आना चाहिए, ये पूरा उल्टा हो जाना चाहिए शेप. Clear? In the same way you can draw plus here. This figure will be same on 1/4 turn and half turn. Try doing this. In the same way you can solve these two also. These questions are drawing related questions. That's why I'm not drawing all the figures. You try doing this and then check answer sheet for the answers. Question 10. On rotating the following figures, draw the shapes of the figure. Here you have 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn. Now you are clear about 1/4 turn and half turn, where you are doing the sign of plus and you are rotating the figure. How to rotate the figure into 1/3 turn? For that you have to divide the figure into 3 parts. Can you see these lines with circle on the end? Here we have 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn. So I have divided the figure into total 6 parts. But if you want to divide the shape into 3 parts, draw a line like this. Divide into 3 parts. And if you want to rotate the shape into 1/3 turn, what you will do? This point will come here. Rotate it in this way and draw. And if we have to divide, we have divided this shape into 6 parts. If we have to rotate this figure into 1/6 turn, then you will rotate it in this way. This point will come here. In this way you can rotate the following figures. Students, here I am showing you another way of rotating the shapes into 1/3 turn or 1/6 turn. For that, first of all, you take a piece of paper and trace the shape. I took a piece of paper और ये shape को trace किया है. Then keep it aside. Now, with the help of rounder, draw a circle. फिर राउंडर जितना भी खुला है उतना ही खुला रखना है. मेक 1 point here and draw arcs. यहाँ से मार्किंग करते जाना है. इसको हम आर्क बोलते हैं, वो आप बाद में सीखोगे. ऐसे मार्किंग करते जाना है. फिर लास्ट मार्किंग जहाँ पे आई वहाँ पे ये पॉइंट रख के अनदर आर्क. In this way, draw arcs. Done? In the same way, I am drawing another circle. Be careful. छोटा बड़ा नहीं हो जाए measurement. Then ऊपर एक point रखो and make arcs. एक mark, दूसरा mark, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. We have 6 marks and we have center of the circle also. Here we have center. Clear? Now showing you 1/3 turn. For 1/3 turn we have to divide the circle into 3 equal parts. ये मैंने सिखाया था. Straight line. Then leave this one. Join this. And then join this. Draw line segment. Clear? Now this circle is divided into 3 equal parts. Yes? Now we have this figure. First one, we have this figure in question 10. Mark point here. If we rotate it into 1/3 turn, what will be the rotation? यहाँ से ये point यहाँ पे जाएगा. Yes? ये point यहाँ पे आया हमारा. In the same way इसको उठा के उसकी place पे रखो and again trace it. Clear? It will look like this on 1/3 turn. Now let us learn about 1/6 turn. This circle is already divided into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just join all the points with the center of the circle. Now 1/6 turn. Keep the point here. 1/6 turn will look like this. यहाँ पे ये फिगर ऐसे आएगा. Now you can trace it or you got the idea कि अब ये फिगर ऐसा लग रहा है. You can draw it in 1/6 turn also. Understood? Draw these 2 circles in rough work or you can draw it here also. Trace the shape. फिर देख लो 1/3 टर्न में कैसा लग रहा है वैसा आपको 1/3 टर्न में ड्रॉ करना है. 1/6 टर्न में कैसा लग रहा है वैसा आपको ड्रॉ करना है. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट दिस 1/4 टर्न? इट्स वेरी इजी. Draw a plus, sign of plus. Here also I am drawing a sign of plus. Okay. Here is our figure. I have traced it. This is our top point. Okay. It look like this. 1/4 turn means ये point यहाँ से यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. So I am turning it in this way. Now you can trace it, or if you are very good at drawing, उठा लो इसको और पूरा draw कर लो. What about half turn? इसको पूरा उल्टा करना है. ये point कहाँ पे आएगा? पूरा नीचे आएगा. So turn like this. If you wish, you can trace it or draw it. Clear? In this way you can draw. दिस इज़ 1/3 टर्न, 1/6 टर्न. 1/6 टर्न पे पॉइंट यहाँ से यहाँ पे आएगा, एंड 1/3 टर्न में पॉइंट यहाँ से यहाँ पे आएगा. 1/4 टर्न में पॉइंट यहाँ से यहाँ पे आएगा, एंड हाफ टर्न में ऊपर से नीचे. क्लियर? एंड दिस वे यू कैन सॉल्व क्वेश्चन 10 and 11.